I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's 100% free to subscribe. You are one click away from improving your health. If your health is important to you, click subscribe now. In this video, we will reveal 5 natural ways to stop the itch and naturally treat mosquito bites. 1. Frankincense Essential Oil. Frankincense is by far my favorite of mosquito bite repellent and remedy. It's been used since ancient times and it works. Even if you've never used essential oils before, you must have a bottle of this on hand. 2. Lemon. This can reduce the possibility of infections. Juice 1 lemon and apply it on the area affected. 3. Banana peel. Take the inside of the banana peel and rub it on the mosquito bite. It will reduce any swelling or irritation caused by the mosquito bite. 4. Bee extracts. Beeswax, bee pollen, and bee propolis work together to help the body's skin mend itself, reduce itching, and protect the bite area from infection. 5. Aloe vera. Aloe vera's pulp can effectively heal the bumps and get rid of the itching. Aloe vera's pulp can effectively heal the bumps and get rid of the itching. Have you used any of these remedies before? What works for you? Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. I have a small favor to ask you. Like this video with a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family so we can keep the videos coming, and as a final request, please subscribe.